I'm going to show you how to make an incredible overnight breakfast cookie. Obviously, you make it the night before, you let it do its thing in the fridge, you wake up with a great meal. Let's get started. All you do is take a couple of bananas, put them in a bowl and start mashing them up. Once they're mashed, you can add in some cinnamon, of course, flaxseed meal, and some nut butter of choice. I'm using peanut butter today, and this is a powdered peanut butter that I've added a little water to. Add in some dried cranberries or dried fruit of choice. Nuts, I'm using pistachios, protein powder, and a little nut milk. And then give that a good mix. Then add in your oats. Mix those in thoroughly, and then just grab a plate, dish a portion out, and smash it down into the plate shape. Once you get it spread out to your liking, just put a cover over it. I use these silicone, reusable food storage covers, and then pop it in the fridge overnight. It doesn't get much easier than that. Take 5 minutes the night before to prep this and put it in the fridge, forget about it, wake up, and enjoy your breakfast. I always like to add a few additional toppings on top. Today I'm adding in blueberries, strawberries, and a little shredded coconut. Now I'm gonna go tear into this. I hope you give this a try. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Have a great day.